How to make t-shirt in Roblox 2024. So in this video tutorial, I will explain you step by step how to make t-shirt in Roblox. So first of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click the create button on the top menu. On the left side, you need to go to the creations. Then go to the avatar items and choose classics. And right here, you need to choose the type classic t-shirts. And as you can see from here, you can upload the photo. There are some requirements. You can see the maximum size, which is 20 megabytes. The formats, GPG, PNG, TGA, BMP. So you need to upload a photo in these formats and just click upload asset. You need to select the photo from your computer, for example, this one. You need to enter the name of your t-shirt, for example, t-shirt, and you can write also description right here, then click upload. And that's all, guys. We have created the t-shirt. You need to wait a couple of minutes and they will pro it right here and you will see your t-shirt design. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like button and don't forget subscribe.